system gas. So for this one, when you check, you will find out that this one is using 404. So this is my gas. 404 gas. 404 since my expansion valve is using 404. That's why I bought this my gas. Look at it. This is 404 gas. 404. This is reference 404. And this one is using 4. But this my expansion valve is using 404. So that's why my charging valve to my car. So you fix your charging valve to your So after fixing your charging valve to your car, the next thing you are going to do is to know where your sanction valve is. To know where your sanction valve, your sanction line. So we have a sanction line. We have low pressure and high pressure. We have low pressure and we have high pressure. Your recharging starts from the low pressure. So what you got to do is to connect your hose to your sanction valve. So my gas is now connected to my sanction line, and my gauge is here. So the next thing you are going to do is to open your is to untrap it. You use your spanner to loose here. As you can see, this one is already loose. So the next thing you are going to do is to release your gas slowly. Release your gas slowly. You see, I've opened it and the gas is coming inside. See, you focus on your side glass. Once the bubbles on your side glass gets off, you're going to be seeing bubbles on your side glass. Once you find out that your side glass, the bubbles are out, you know that your charging is filled up. So that's how you are going to fill your side glass. Then you make an observation also. Check your condenser if it's heating. Your condenser to know if it's heating. If it's heating, you know that it's on pressure, it's working. Then you check your connection pipe to know that to be sure that your pressure, your gas, the pressure is on the right level. Here is supposed to heat, your condenser is supposed to heat, then your suction line is supposed to be cool. So this cools, this hot. Then your container system, you hear the sound on it. So guys, millions of people have been wondering around the whole world to know and to learn. Many technicians have been having a chance